vote. Here is a 3D printed sticky notes notepad I designed to capture my thoughts and ideas in real time. Sometimes my mind can be like a goldfish, but with this notepad, not anymore. The notepad consists of 5 writing boards, 1 holding ring, a front cover, and a back cover with a channel that holds the standard hair elastics to keep the notepad secure. Now to assemble it, very easy. You take the holding ring, and there's a small slit here, so you just have to pry it open a little bit. And then first, you can slide the back piece in, the back plate in. Then you can take the front cover and slide that in. Just have to crack it a little bit open, and then just slide the cover in. Then we'll take all 5 boards and put those in next. And then you take your elastic band, you stretch it, and put it right in the slot. And then when you're done, it's like this. So now we're gonna add our sticky notes. So next, before we put the sticky notes on each board, it is best to put a piece of paper glued on the board first, just because when you're writing, because of 3D printing, these surfaces kind of rough, so writing on a rough surface might be difficult. So by putting a cardstock paper on top and glue that down, then you place the sticky notes on top of that, then now you can have a nice smooth surface to write on. So to do that, I made a little template. What I have to do is just fold the paper twice. Once it's folded, then the end that has, so this end here that has all the 4 sheets loosely, you put a template on that corner and take a pen and you can just trace that out. And take your scissors and just cut that out. So now you have 1, 2, 3, 4. But we need 1 more because we have 5 boards. So you can open up your paper and you can fold it one way, like this, and do the same thing. And cut that out. Okay, now that I got all the cardstock paper glued onto each board, next to apply the sticky notes. So the way how I do it, you take 1 sticky note, you pull it out, and then you just stick it on the board. And then you do the same for each side. And then with the remaining sticky notes on the back cover, you can stick the whole pad right there. So now when you close it, you pull the hair elastic over, and now it's all secure. And it's really good paired with a small short pen. And then you can slide it right in the corner. And you can take this wherever you go. And you can put it in your pocket, in a little bag, anywhere. So now when you're out and you have ideas that pop into your head randomly when you're outside, you can pull out your sticky notes notepad, open up, and start writing. If you have a list of reminders, things that you need to get done for the day, you can put it all in this pad, and you're good to go. And then when you're done, you can just remove the sticky note, put it somewhere else, and then you have a fresh pad here. You can just take a new one, put it on, and keep going. So this is my sticky notes notepad. I use this every single day to write down all my new ideas for designs that I have.